Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha and in this video we're going to see how you can add brands to your products in your WooCommerce website. So basically when you have few products that are from a specific brand, you will be needing a page that will show all of the products that are available under that brand. So it is sometimes essential to work with product brands for increasing sale and generate reliability on your e-commerce website. Let's see how you can add these see in your WordPress website. So for that we'll be needing a plugin. So I'm going to install a plugin. I'm going to click add new. The plugin we are going to use is Perfect Brands for WooCommerce. We're going to search it, Perfect Brand for WooCommerce. So this plugin is a perfect tool to organize your site, highlight the brands you have, and also helps you filter for your customers and have a great exploration experience. So I'm going to install it, and by installing this we'll be able to add the brands for the products that you have already listed. I'm going to activate it. After activating this, you will be able to see that in the product section, you can add the products first, what all the products you have, you can add all those products, then add the brands. That's how it works. So you'll be seeing this brands option from here and click on brands. Now you can add the brand that you have. So if you have a local brand or international brand, it doesn't matter. You just need the brand name and logo or all those things. So let's say I'm going to add Adidas, all right, and slug URL that I'm going Adidas. I'm going to add this slug URL, which is basically how it comes after your domain name, and add a few description under which you'll have the whatever description you want to give under the brand name. Okay, I'm going to add a logo. So I've already uploaded the media into website. You can just add from here from your local desktop. I'm going to add the logo over here. You can add the caption description for the SEO purpose. Then add a banner image. A banner image is basically a full-length image that will be visible when your slug URL is taken. I'll show you how. You need a banner image and the logo for your website, and add a new brand. So this will be visible over here. I'm going to add another one, which is Nike. Okay, these two are my favorite brands, by the way. So I'm going to add Nike, add a banner, and add new. Alright, so I have added the brands here. Now we are going to add products under these brands. So let's see how you are going to do that. So under the products, look for the all brands, all products, and you have all your products listed over here. I'm going to sort by the hoodies. Okay, I'm going to categorize it. I'm going to add all my hoodies under this website, under this brand. So I'm going to either edit or quick edit. Quick edit is easy. So you can see the brands option is over here. So I'm going to add under Adidas and update it. Okay, I'm going to edit this also. Just adding a casual few products, and you will be able to see that. So quick edit, Adidas. Okay, I've just added 4 products under this Adidas brand. Then I'm going to add these t-shirts under the other brand, which is Nike. I'm going to add it as Nike. You can add, delete, or make a categories out of here. It doesn't matter. It's all up to your website, your theme, and how your website works. You don't have to refer this. I'm just showing this for the reference purpose. Okay, so that's done. I've categorized all those things, and I've added all these things. Now let's see, let's go to the website. I'm going to click from here, view. So in this I'll be able to see my product, which is under the which is the logo is visible over here. So this shows that this product is under the name. So I'm going to click on this logo, and now you can see that there's a URL under this. Like this shows under this page, you will be able to see the products under over here. There's a banner image which we have added, and under this there will be for the products that I've added under this brand. Likewise you'll be able to see Adidas also, which I have added. Yes, so this is the banner image. Whatever the description as we have seen earlier will be visible under over here, and these are the products I've added under the Adidas brand. So this is how you can add your add brands in your WooCommerce website, and it is an essential tool for whatever if you have a multi-vendor setup. This will be very helpful if you have a website or a shop which sells almost every product and you want to categorize them as brands. So hope you like this video, and you should try out this and let us know in the comment section. Bye.